was like perfect timing. How did I do that?
The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Gallatin County, Illinois, southeastern Hamilton County and south central Illinois, northeastern Saline County, Illinois, southwestern White County and southeast Illinois until 6 p.m. At 5:33 p.m., rains are indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 7 miles northeast of Galatia, or 8 miles northwest of El Dorado, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Locations in the warned area include Norris City, Broughton, and Omaha. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Gallatin,